It is impossible not to be Krishna conscious. And I'm going to explain why. And this is such a beautiful thought. I think it can really help you. When you hear that, you're thinking, wait a minute, I'm trying to be Krishna conscious, and it's a challenge. It doesn't seem like I cannot not be Krishna conscious. Well, if you mold this statement within this context, that our nature is to be Krishna conscious. So if you say, I'm not Krishna conscious, philosophically speaking, it's not true. Practically, yes, it may be true. But philosophically speaking, you are Krishna conscious. That's who you are. That's your nature. So we are not creating Krishna consciousness. We are awakening or reviving or discovering Krishna consciousness, unveiling Krishna consciousness. So that is who we are. That's our nature. And when we're having difficulty in Krishna consciousness, if we remember that what I'm trying to achieve is really what I am in my purest state. It's not that I'm trying to achieve something that's impossible for me, or that maybe is possible and maybe isn't. I'm only trying to achieve what I am. So I thought of an example. You might like this example. Imagine we have a light bulb, and we have tape, and we're covering the tape, the light bulb with tape. We have black tape, we have red tape, and we have blue tape. And the black tape, there's no light coming through, anger, envy, resentment, and so forth. Then the red tape, mode of passion, passionate consciousness. Not really much coming through. The blue tape, you get a little light, sattva-gun, a little light's coming through. Not everything, but something. The process of bhakti melts the tape. So when you take the tape off, now you didn't have much light when you take the tape off. You have light. That's who you are. So I have always found personally that anytime I am finding a challenge or a problem or difficulty in my Krishna consciousness, if I remember that Krishna consciousness is who I am, everything that I'm challenged with is who I am not. It's all foreign. It's not me. Reorienting my consciousness in that way makes it so much more natural, makes it easier to come out of the problems that I'm coming out, because I realize this is all extraneous. It has nothing to do with me. And that, although it may seem difficult to achieve Krishna consciousness, but it's just there at the core of my being. It's not something foreign. Now, I know that's very, very simple. Maybe it's so simple you're thinking, why are you even saying this? But if you think about it, you contemplate it, you'll see that sometimes that simple thought can be the most empowering for you. Just to wake up and think, I'm Krishna conscious. That's what's natural. That's natural. Awakening, reviving, it's natural. Chanting is natural. Hearing is natural. All these activities are natural. It's who I am. It's my essence. It can make a huge difference in your practice. So I would recommend trying it. Try it out. Try it on for size. See how it works for you. Hare Krishna.